Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to check save password on Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser and then click on three dots. After that click on settings, and here on the left hand side you will see the option autofill and password. Click on this option. After that you will see the option Google Password Manager. Click on this option. A new window will appear. Here under password you are now looking at a list of all passwords that Chrome has saved for you. So in our case I want to check the password of this website, so click on this website. Before you can view your saved password, Chrome may ask you to enter your computer's login credential for security purposes. So type your password here. Click on OK. Here you will see the website or app name. You will also see the username and the password option here. So to view the password, click on I icon. You can also copy this password by clicking on this copy icon. So guys, in this video we saw how to check save password on Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.